Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. Making trades is a game that is based loosely on the stock market. Therefore, the best stockbrokers should also win when playing the game making trades. Question is, which of the following statements, if true, would most weaken the conclusion? Option number 4, if true, would most weaken this conclusion. The conclusion assumes that stockbrokers would have some added knowledge or insight that would give them more success at playing the game. Option number 4 negates this assumption by making all players equal, providing everyone with the complete rules and strategies. Hence, it is our correct choice. Answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The given question is, based on the results of the studies reported above, which of the following must be true? Option number 2 cannot be concluded because it goes beyond the scope of the problem. Incorrect. Option number 3 directly contradicts the last sentence of the passage. Incorrect. Option number 4 has no basis from the passage. Incorrect. Option number 1 must be a true statement. If the sloths have been on the earth continuously for 5 million years and dinosaurs have never existed at the same time as the sloths, then it can be concluded that the dinosaurs disappeared before the sloths appeared, more than 5 million years ago. This is depicted in option number 1, making it our correct statement. Answer is option number 1. Hope you have understood. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. John always leaves the office before sunset unless the sun sets before 6. David does not leave the office before John does if John leaves before sunset. Now the question. On a day when the sun sets at 5:30, which of the following must be true? Option number 4 seems correct statement because from the first statement of the passage, if the sun sets before 6, then it can be concluded that John will not leave the office before sunset. Hence, option number 4 is our correct choice. Hope this is clear. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. This is a passage about ancient African tribes. The question is, which of the following assumptions is part of the above argument? Option number 1, 2 and 4 could all be true, but they do not make the required connection between the buried artifacts and the belief in the religion. Hence, they are incorrect. 1, 2 and 4. Option number 3 is a part of the argument. The problem links the buried artifacts to a belief in religion. Option number 3 states this linking by suggesting that burying people with tools and utensils shows a belief in religion and therefore an advanced society. Hence, option 3 is our correct answer. Hope this is clear. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. This is a passage about United States banking industry. The question is, the fears of the consumers discussed in the preceding argument would most be allayed by which of the following facts? Option number 1 is irrelevant as nothing in the argument addresses insurance of deposits or federal involvement. Incorrect. Option 2 is irrelevant because the argument is not concerned with whatever or not such mergers are allowable, but whether they are a good move for consumers. Incorrect. Option number 3 focuses on investors and not the customers. Incorrect. The fear of consumers would most be allayed by option number 4 the consumers assume that bank mergers will result in higher fee and fewer services. It contradicts this assumption and would be the best response for weakening the conclusion. Hence, we have option 4 as the correct choice. Answer is option number 4. Hope this is clear. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.